Wangjam Premjit, an internally displaced person, IDP, currently sheltered at Thambal Marik College Relief Camp in Oinam, has vowed to launch a hunger strike until death if the central and state governments fail to control Kuki armed groups and restore normalcy in Manipur within May 3rd. Premjit made this announcement during a press meet at the camp today. He attributed the ongoing crisis, which has claimed the lives of numerous women and children, to a failure in curbing the activities of Kuki armed groups and ending what he alleged is a proxy war by the center. He urged the central government to stop fostering divisions within the state, asserting that the disintegration of Manipur is equivalent to the disintegration of India. Premjit further expressed a profound loss of public trust in the current administration.
Manipur ki phamnaiba Mantri Mandol Singh Nangi Nafrup Najati Amadi Nangi Praja Singh bu karimata nungsibidraba Tungi Isa Isugi Mirol Gidamak Karisu Khandrabra Nangi Phamna Maruni Khalabra Ariba Sarkar Pyargi Sarkar Amadi Anova Onba Kuidriba Sarkar Karisu Praja Singh Hazaningai Oidre Nakoi Maselgi Marakta Munaba Hunnaba Matauda Awaba Taraba Manipur IDP Singh Thamoi Sona Khudum Sudana Khangli State government amadi center government anina munna khana biraga nakhoina thawktuna thamliba chin kuki narco terrorist singbu thar me 2026 fawgi manungda laksin biduna shanti puroktrabadi 4 May 2026 dagi Manipur gi IDP ama oina ai samak rikya masida sidri bhawata hindaragani haina miyam gi mamangda amadi press ki mamangda phudok chari